welcome back to my So Crafty Life. This is Michelle, and today we're going to make over some sconces that I've had in my stash for quite a while. So this is a list of supplies that you're going to need. So let's get started. So first off, I usually one of these old Cool Whip lids are very handy to put some paint on. So check the paint with it. And this is the Apple Barrel Black acrylic paint. And I believe I purchased that on Amazon. Amazon's got some good prices on the Apple Barrel paint, or you can buy them at your local Walmart. I'm just gonna paint these all up and let them dry, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I painted these black. I painted them 2 coats to make sure that it was good coverage. Okay, now I'm going to decorate them. I have this green wired leaf vine that I got from Walmart. It was like $3.50, I believe, for the entire thing, and it's 20 feet long. So I'm going to make, I think, a bow out of it since it's wired. Up there, cut a piece off. I'm just going to shape it into a bow. And it's nice and bendable, so you can make it as large or small as you like. And I'm going to attach it right here to the bottom underneath the shelf. It's too long. I'm going to cut it here. And I'm going to hot glue it. So you have to do this in layers. Careful, I have to burn myself. Front part. Let's do the back between here. It's a little bit tricky to get it in there without burning myself. Definitely want to be careful using your glue guns. That one dries. I'm going to grab another piece, shape it how long I need it to be. Snip it with my wire cutters. Just go in. Some hot glue. Hold that down. Okay, while this one sets up a little bit on the side, I'm going to go ahead and glue this one. I'm just going to put it right in the middle, underneath the shelf. Good glob of glue so it'll stay well. Here, and just press it in there. You want to hold it for seconds so it sticks really well. That's good. And I'll go for attach this one to the other one. Hold it really well. Fires here. This one I don't think stuck very well. You can kind of maneuver this and shape these because of the wire. It's awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to attach these magnolias right down there. Love these. This comes in a bush, like so, from Walmart. And I believe they were around $4.50 for the bush. And you get 5 big flowers, and they're very good flowers. They're silky, very realistic, very pretty. So I'm just going to go in, glob of glue, and just hot glue Magnolia right there. Do the same to the other side, to the other one. And I think I'm going to use a couple of these leaves off of the bush because it's the magnolia leaves. Just pull them off. Attached. Just kind of attach it on the bottom. Stays right underneath there. A little bit of glue here to keep my flower up a little bit higher. Just want to make sure that they're lifted up high enough so you can see magnolia when it's hanging on the wall. Because of the layers of the different leaves here, just a dab of the hot glue so that they stay together. So you can see magnolia underneath it. Same thing to this one. I'm going to go in on this one and do the same things. And now I'm going to put them on my wall and I'll show you what that looks like. And here it is. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.